This video is brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Hi, my name is Mike Green. I want to help you save time and money repairing your vehicle. I have 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks. My company, 1A Auto, sells high quality replacement parts over the internet. In this video I'll be showing you how to install these parts. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install them and where to get them. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video. Handle slides forward and off. And then pull off your water shield. Be careful with this, don't want to rip it. Take it off, put it somewhere safe where it won't lose its stickiness or get damaged. Then remove the handle or the switch plate. Take off a 7mm bolt on the back side, and then pry it up and out from the back to front like that. Okay. Now obviously if your window regulator is messed up, you're not going to be able to control it. I'm doing this on a working truck so you can just see how everything comes apart. If your window regulator is broken, hopefully it's in the up position because that's the ideal position. You can see here I'm going to run the window up. And then I'll show you the two bolts that clamp the window into place from the window regulator. If your window regulator is not right there and right there, if your regulator is not working, then wherever these bolts are, they're 10mm, loosen them up, pull the window apart, and secure it in the up position with some tape, and you'll see that later. The window regulator is then held in by 6 bolts. I just showed you 3 there, 1, 2, and 3 down there, so 6 total. So you can see I'm securing the window in the up position, 2 pieces of tape, 4 might be better. Now I'm removing the 6 bolts that hold the window regulator. Quickly, working quick. Then you can see my father over there working on one of his projects. He's in the plaid shirt, kind of old school. I think he was putting the radio into a 74 Grenville. Now I'm running the window regulator down a little bit, and it's released from the window now. And now I'm just taking the rest of the bolts off. And then once you have all the bolts out, you just kind of twist the regulator and slow it back down here first unplug obviously the window motor, little locking tab, and then pull it apart. And then you just kind of twist the regulator down and around. Like I said, you'll want to remove your window from the clamps and get it in the up position and tape it, so you have the room to maneuver this stuff. And then you can see it's basically two rails with cables. And then once you got it out, then you can put your new one in. Looks like I skipped a little stuff there, but new one goes back in, and then it hangs from up there. You can see right there, it kind of hangs on there. Then you start a bolt on the top, and you hang up the back. Same thing, it has a little tooth. It hangs up there. Start the bolts, and then we'll speed up the tape here. All 6 bolts. Again, look at those hands work. I'm quick. And then when you tighten these, you can see I'm just using a screwdriver style driver, and that's sufficient as long as you get them. You always want to, another tip, you always want to install them all first. You don't want to put one in and tighten it up. You want to put one in, screw it on for a few threads, and then put the rest of them in too. And then go back and tighten them up afterwards. You put them in one at a time. It allows you to kind of move things around a little bit, make sure you can get everything in. Okay, now I'm testing the regulator. Oh, well, before I test it, obviously you gotta plug it in. Just run it up. I'm actually not testing it. I'm running it up into the window, making sure that the clamps go onto the window okay, and running it right up, and then I'll tighten up those clamps. So now it's fastened to the window. Pull the tape off of the top, and now I'll give the window a quick test. And you can see it goes down and up. Make sure everything's free. Make sure the window motor is not laboring at all, and just make sure it runs the exact same thing, the exact same way as your other side. And that's about it. Hope this helps you out. These regulators fail quite a bit of these trucks, so we hope this helped you out, and wish you luck in your repair. This video is brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. You can call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We are the company that's there for you on the internet and in person. Thank you very much.